Hello everyone, this is King Machinery. My name is Lin. I'm going to introduce to you to one of our recent projects that I was responsible that goes to Kazakhstan. So this project includes 4 roll forming machines. They are the CW profile roll forming machine, the UW profile roll forming machine, the CD profile roll forming machine, and the UD profile roll forming machine. So now I'm going to introduce these machines one by one to you. The number one is a CW profile roll forming machine. It's multiple sizes on one machine. The popular sizes in the markets are 50mm, 75mm, 100mm. Our machine can use the automatic servo adjustment system to automatically change the size so that you can produce many sizes on one machine. The maximum production speed of this machine, including the automatic package, is up to 60 meters per minute. The next one is the UW profile roll forming machine. It's also for drywall usage, and the popular sizes in the markets are 50mm, 75mm, 100mm. It's also with the servo motor automatic width adjustment system so that you can produce many sizes on the one machine. The maximum production speed of this machine is also 60 meters per minute with the automatic package. The third one that I'm going to introduce is the CD profile. The CD profile is for ceiling usage. Its size is usually 60 by 27mm. The maximum production speed of this machine, including the automatic package, is 100 meters per minute. The last one I'm going to introduce is the UD profile. The UD profile popular size is usually 28 by 27mm. The maximum production speed of this machine, including the automatic package, is 60 meters per minute. They are all equipped with the automatic package machine. This automatic package machine can ensure this machine can operate in the full automatic procedure without the human intervention and make the whole procedure smooth goes, and can improve the production efficiency for our customers. And also it can avoid the potential work injuries for our workers. Recently, our after-sales engineers have been to Kazakhstan for the installation and commissioning for these machines. They finished their job, and our customers' engineers know how to use and how to maintain for these machines. The machines now are working very well in our customers' factory, and the feedbacks are really good. We sincerely hope that our machine can help our customers' business to go to the next level. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information about this machine, please contact us by the email or by the WhatsApp. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.